Have you ever wondered where to start with coding? Does the idea of creating something from lines of text seem baffling or intriguing? Welcome to the world of coding, the invisible engine powering our digital life. From the apps on your phone, the games you play, to the websites you visit daily, lines of code are the secret ingredients behind them all. If you've ever considered dipping your toes into the world of coding, you're in the right place. Coding is a language, and like any language, it has its own syntax and rules. Just as you would learn French or Spanish, learning to code involves understanding a new way of expressing thoughts and ideas. Instead of words and sentences, you're dealing with variables and functions. Take Python for instance. It's a high-level interpreted language that is known for its simplicity and readability. Then there's JavaScript, a language of the web, making websites interactive and dynamic. And let's not forget C++, a language that offers high performance and control over system resources. Each of these languages has its own unique character, just like spoken languages do. Some are verbose, requiring many lines of code to perform a task, while others are concise, achieving the same task with fewer lines. But don't let that overwhelm you. Choosing a language to learn first is a crucial step, and it's not as intimidating as it might seem. Just as you wouldn't learn French to visit Japan, you need to choose the right coding language for your goals. Now, when it comes to choosing your first coding language, it's like picking out your first car. You want something that's going to be reliable, versatile, and suitable for your unique needs. Think about what you want to create. Are you interested in developing websites? Or perhaps, you're more drawn to data science and machine learning? Each coding language has its own strengths and is often used in specific areas. For instance, if you're looking to dive into web development, JavaScript might be your go-to language. It's the backbone of many modern websites and web apps, and it's a language that many employers are seeking. It's like the universal donor of coding languages, versatile and widely applicable. On the other hand, if you're drawn to the world of data science, Python could be your perfect match. It's known for its simplicity and readability, making it a great choice for beginners. But don't let its simplicity fool you. From data analysis to machine learning, Python is a heavyweight in the data world. But maybe you're interested in building mobile apps. In that case, you might want to consider Swift for iOS apps and Kotlin for Android apps. Both are powerful modern languages that can help you bring your mobile app ideas to life. Or perhaps you're looking to delve into the world of video games? C++ is a popular choice there, offering the low-level access needed to create high-performance games. The key takeaway here is that the right language for you depends heavily on what you want to do. There's no one-size-fits-all language. It's about finding the tool that best suits your project and your goals. And if you're still unsure, don't stress. Just pick a language and start learning. After all, once you've learned one coding language, picking up another becomes much simpler. It's like learning how to drive. Once you've mastered driving one car, you can drive them all. Remember, there's no wrong choice here. Every language you learn will make the next one easier. So let's gear up and get ready to embark on this exciting journey of coding. Now that you've chosen your language, you're probably wondering where to learn it. Well, the good news is, there are a multitude of resources at your fingertips, ready to guide you on this coding journey. Let's delve into some of the best ones out there. Online platforms have revolutionized the way we learn. Websites like Code Academy, Coursera, and Udemy offer interactive courses across a wide array of languages. They're perfect for self-starters who like to learn at their own pace. Coding bootcamps, though more intensive, provide a structured learning environment. They're usually short-term, ranging from 8 to 12 weeks, and are designed to get you job-ready quickly. Books might seem a bit old school, but they remain a valuable resource. Titles such as Learn Python the Hard Way or JavaScript the Good Parts can provide in-depth knowledge and serve as handy references. And let's not forget about communities. Online forums like Stack Overflow or GitHub provide a space for coders to share knowledge, solve problems together, and learn from each other. They're a testament to the collaborative spirit of the coding community. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a good podcast or YouTube channel. They can offer insights, tips, and real-world examples that can make learning more enjoyable. Remember, the journey of learning to code is unique for everyone. Explore these resources, find what works best for you, and don't be afraid to experiment. With the right resources, the coding world is your oyster. Learning to code is like learning to play an instrument. It requires practice. Just as a musician doesn't become a virtuoso overnight, you won't become a coding wizard in a day. It's a process, one that demands regular practice. And practice in coding doesn't mean merely reading or watching tutorials, It means sitting down, rolling up your sleeves, and diving headfirst into the world of code. Think of it this way: you wouldn't try to learn a new language simply by reading a textbook, would you? To truly grasp it, you'd need to converse in that language, write in it, and live it. The same applies to coding. To truly understand and master a programming language, you need to code in it, solve problems using it, and create projects with it. Now you may ask, what kind of problem should I solve? Well, the beauty of coding is that there's no shortage of problems to tackle. From simple algorithms to complex data structures, each problem acts as a stepping stone, helping you solidify your knowledge and improve your skills. And then there are projects. Building projects is like the ultimate test of your coding skills. It's where you bring together everything you've learned and apply it to create something tangible, something real. It could be a simple calculator app or a full-fledged website. Regardless of the scale, each project you build adds to your coding arsenal, enriching your understanding and enhancing your capabilities. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. You will encounter hurdles, you may even feel like giving up, but don't. Coding, like any skill, takes time to master. There will be days when you'll struggle to solve a problem or debug a piece of code, but don't let these moments discourage you. Instead, let them fuel your determination. Because that's what practice is all about. It's not just about repetition, it's about patience, it's about resilience, it's about learning from your mistakes and growing stronger with each setback. Keep practicing, stay patient, and soon enough, you'll be writing your own programs.